But like I said, it's not about speed. It's about enduro. Brake's not working. What up everybody, we're in Netherfield again. Sorry, I'm just doing my jacket up. Yeah, what up everybody, it's your boy here, Motorbert. We're out on another, my glasses all seamed up. Hopefully everyone's doing fantastic and amazing. We're about to go in there, yeah. It looks like there's some good old trails in there, I see on the old map, so we're going to have a look. My glasses are steamed up, so it's not really a good start, isn't it? I might have to just go up the road quickly to get rid of the steam. Yeah, there's a car here. There was just a van, but we're good. My bike feels smaller than usual. So we're going straight in here. And there looks like there's a path going through, and then it leads onto some nice big trails. So we'll find out. Yeah, on a monkey bike adventure again today. Which way? This way. Oh, yeah. So we love it, people. Yeah. So, like I said, oh, I'm riding like I'm still on the road. Yeah, people, we love it. So we're just on a little journey today, like I said, in the woods. Sorry, I need to start talking more. Hopefully you're all doing fantastic and amazing, and hopefully we don't get lost today. There's a lot of leaves, a lot of leaves. And there's a big dip. We're going straight forward though. There's meant to be like a big nice track, but this is still a nice track. Look, nice river there. We're going through the jungle. We love it, yeah. We love it, people. We're working it, oh yeah. Until I fall off and go in a bush. Yes, I hope you like the old monkey bike adventures. Almost just went in the bush then. Not a lot going on in my life, I can tell you that right now. Definitely feel not shit, but all over the place, you know. I think this is it, you know, guys. It is, because that way takes you back up to the logging place, and this way should just take us into the woods. Wow, that's a big old muddy track. I think we're going to follow the path though, and just see where this goes down here. Either way, we're deep in the woods, guys, trust me. Woo! We are deep in the woods. This way looks pretty cool. Let's get down here. And we're off. Whoa! Oh, we're gonna get muddy. We're gonna get muddy. But that's the point of off-roading. Why am I just singing today? Yeah, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm a pro. Whoa. Why have I all of a sudden gone really dodgy? Oh. Not a pro, mate. You're gonna watch me die. But like I said, it's not about speed. It's about enduro. Brake's not working. Oh. We got this. We'll be alright. Be in gear. Go down here. Hey. The problem is getting back up that. It's going to be a bitch. I'm not trying to get too knackered today, guys, so I can actually make it out alive. No idea where I am. Once again, glasses are getting steamed up. It's saying that way, so we'll go this way. Yeah, shit, I don't think you understand how bad these trails are. They're tiny, the trails. And when I say these woods are big, mate, they're big. I'm fully going to get lost, so I'm just trying to stick to paths, so at least I know my way back. Because, yeah, it's important to know your way back, because usually I just nilly-dilly go in these woods like, I don't care. Right, we're going across the bridge, I guess. Right, remember, we crossed the bridge, went up the magnificent hill. Over the branch. Whoa. No, we've been defeated by a log. I see people. Right, that won't take you up somewhere. We're gonna get lost, guys. I'm in the woods, and I shouldn't be. We're gonna have to move. My glasses are getting steamed up. Well, this doesn't even look like a path. This is off a beaten track. What I do not want to do though is steal my bike, because I just can't be bothered with it. Yeah, we'll find another way. Let's go and explore. This way's dead end. It's not a dead end, but it's for another day. Ah! Woo! We love it. I'm in neutral, mate. How am I going to pop a wheelie over it if I'm neutral? Yeah, so like I said, hope you enjoy the adventures, people, because I do, in the woods. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is probably a good place to get a little picture, you know. This bridge doesn't feel very safe, you know. Just kick my bike. We love it, yeah, in the wilderness. No idea where we are. Me being boring. Right, let's carry on with the adventure. My glasses are steamed up bad. This bridge scares me, you know. I feel like it's gonna fall. My thumb hurts. Oh, didn't get any traction on that. Which way was it? Glasses, unsteam, please. This way. I'm sure it was. Oh, we've got to get up that thing somehow. Oh no. Is there not another way out? Because we ain't gonna get out of there. Come on, boy. Right, let's go this way. I was just bouncing. Bounce, bounce. That seems to be the one. Let my hand calm down and my bike. Let's just sit here on a log and have a story time. So yeah, in the middle of the woods today, and on today's story time, let's think of a story. I can't think of a story, you know. Oh, I've got one. One time I was going down a nice lovely road and it was a one way. Sorry, the story's a bit out of breath. And my old mate, this is Alex actually again. Damn, that guy. And yeah, I had to stop because it was a dead end at the one way. You couldn't go any further. And then he crashed into the back of me and fell off his bike. And then he got up and was like, "Oh, what the hell?" No, I can't remember what he says. He says, "You need to bloody watch what you're doing, innit?" And I was like thinking, hang on, you're the one behind me and you crashed into me. Yeah, that's the story. Bit of a boring story. Let's carry on. Unsteamed glasses. I reckon I'll get over them logs. Look at that big hole. It looks like a big, you know. Ooh. Oh. Getting bad ideas. Have you unsteamed? Yeah, it don't help that my fucking head's sweaty as hell. I'm not looking forward to going back out that way. Yeah, people. We're on the monkey bike, on an adventure. I'm not going across that, you've got no chance, sorry guys. Let's do a little whip around here, somehow. We've got a partial whip. That's why we love the monkey bike, because it's small. We got to just get back up here because this is going to be. I'm going to sweat so bad. Any tips and tricks, guys, on off-roading? I know speed's the game. This bit's what scares me so much. I'm going to have to just push it up here. Here we go. I'm not getting any traction myself. Break time. Oh. It don't look that bad, but it is. And it's been raining. At least I haven't stalled my bike though. That's good. Might have to go without you glasses. My bike sounds like it's running weird. It's probably going to blow up. Check the bolt still in it, because I lost the bolt for the old carb again. Why are they getting no traction whatsoever? Alright, we're safe. Fuck. Ah! I hope you like the adventures, guys. We're staring at this tree. Let's hope a bird don't shit on me. I can't do this. I'm too old for this shit. I put all this gear on, thinking, yeah. Who knows what's so long there, I don't care. One day we'll find out. But monkey bite's definitely muddy. I don't think you understand how hard it is on a little bike doing that, even with knobblies. Right. I feel weak. It's not good. But we shall carry on through the bushes. I've gone off the path because I'm so dead. Oh, yeah, people. So, like I said, we love the monkey bike adventures and all that. It's fun. It's fun. It's amazing. It's amazing having sweat drip down your face in the helmet. I think I've gone the wrong way. No, I ain't. I don't know. But whatever. We're moving and our pressure is good. It's not that way. Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm dead. I don't know what to say anymore, people. I'm just dead. That's all I know. We need to make it out of the woods alive, and then we can end the video. That's the main thing. Sorry, I'm not ragging. Through the bushes. Get out my way, bushes! Get out my way! I think we're home free. Through here. We are. Let's wait here, that better not be feathers. No. So yeah, people, we're back where we started. I hope you liked that old video. That was long. I don't know how long it was, but yeah, it was good to explore it, and at least I know it's there now. So, and these woods are massive. But yeah, like and subscribe, comment on what you want to see. I appreciate all the likes and the comments. Yeah, don't copy me, I'm an idiot. Peace out and ride safe.